Hi, Dr. Lori here, and I have been doing some research on gut health and digestion, and I have found some pretty fascinating information that I wanted to share. Did you know that we did not even have the ability to study the microbiome until 2006? That's why we have so much new information. It is a new paradigm shift on how we look at our gut and the microbes that are in there. And those microbes, there's more of them than we have in human cells. But they're actually there for a good reason, as long as we are healthy. But the research shows us that when we have a healthy relationship with our partner, that we share more microbes in our gut with them than we do with our siblings. I'm hosting a study on digestion that starts on April 6th, and we are mailing out our sample kits early next week. If you have some digestion challenges and you would like to try a natural solution, then please message me GUT down below and I will get you more details. Have a great day.